Welcome, boys and girls. Welcome, parents, to our kindergarten assembly. I believe there will be a couple of announcements afterwards as well. We're going to get started here in a second. Boys and girls, we need to sit quietly today, and we need to show our senior preschool students how we sit as good audience members. So welcome, you guys. This is your first assembly you've been to. You guys must be growing up, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are going to be kindergartners next year, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, so welcome. Boys and girls, we're going to sit nicely and show our senior preschool how we attended assembly. Welcome, parents. Enjoy the assembly. So I'm going to turn over. Let's give a round of applause to our kindergarten group.
Welcome to kindergarten assembly class. We have 3 Readers Theaters plays for you. The first one is Dr. Jen. I feel sick. I have a fever. I think I have some dirt.
Let's take you to Dr. Jen.
I feel sick. I have a stomach. Maybe I forgot to wash my hands before I ate my lunch.
Let's take you to see Dr. Jen.
I am sick. I have a cough. I think I should wear a mask so other people around me don't get sick.
Let's take you to Dr. Jen.
I am ill. I have a sore throat. I should get plenty of rest in bed and drink lots of water.
Let's take you to see Dr. Jen.
I don't feel well. I have a sore knee. Exercise will help me keep my body strong.
Let's visit Dr. Jen.
I feel sick. I have an earache. I can't hear well. I think I need some medicine from the doctor.
Let's take you to Dr. Jen. Dr. Jen makes my family feel better.
We need to remember to wash our hands after we use the bathroom. Germs can spread to other people's knees and cough into your elbow. Make sure you get a good night's sleep and drink lots of water to keep your body work well. People need to exercise to keep their muscles strong. You can walk, run, or ride a bicycle. Only take medicine that's stated by a doctor. Oh no, my doctor is sick. We can take him to Dr. Jen. We will take him to Dr.
The next group are the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Sarah, it's our turn to clean the art table. This is all trash. Some of these things can be used again.
It looks like trash to me. I think Sarah has a good point. Let's use the 3 R's.
What are the 3 R's?
Reduce, reuse, and recycle. We reduce our trash. We reuse as much as possible. We recycle what we can.
Let's Let's just throw it away. What's the big deal about trash?
The landfills that hold our trash get full. We should do our part to make less trash for the landfills.
Let's clean out this empty paint jar and reuse it for something else. It could be a pencil cup.
Or a paperclip holder. How about a candy jar?
Okay, how about this empty tissue box?
Let's make it into a bird feeder.
Or maybe it can hold more art supplies. Those are great ideas. Paper, glass, plastic, and some metal can be made into new things. It's called recycling.
The plastic paint trays can be recycled.
And we can recycle this paper. We can also reuse it and grow on the other side.
Before are getting the idea.
We turned out to be pretty good garbage pickers. Next greatest theater is Four Seasons.
Do you live where the weather changes during the year? Does it change with each season?
There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. First, let's meet spring.
I am spring. I melt the snow. I make it warm, so plants begin to grow. The days get longer, the nights get shorter. You might wear jackets when I'm around. I am summer. I keep it home cute. The plants grow bigger. The days are long. The nights are short. It's time for a short when I'm around. I am fall. I make it cooler. The leaves change color and fall to the ground. Comes the days get shorter. The nights get longer. Put on the sweater when I am off. I am winter. I make it cold. Where many plants die, I bring the snow. The days are shorter. Wear your coat when I'm around.
The weather changes with each season. It gets warmer and warmer. The days get longer and longer.
Then it gets cooler and cooler. The days get shorter and shorter.
I am spring.
I am summer.
I am fall.
And I'm winter.
We will see you again next year. The cycle will start all over again. 1, 2, 3. We're the seasons. We're the seasons. Sometimes hot, sometimes not. Seasons change weather. Let's sing the song together. Hot and cold, now you're getting cold. We're the seasons. We're the seasons. Sometimes hot, sometimes not. Who cares about the weather? We're playing together. Spring and summer, winter, fall. I have my songs for you.
We can count to 100.
What? We're turning out.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
No, this is it is a way for me. Breaking my brain.
That's not me.
Sing 3 math songs for you. More, less, and equal.
More means a lot. More means a lot. More candy, more cookies. Give me all you got. More means a lot. More, more, more. Bless is just a little, 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 little. Bless is just a little bitty bit. 0 or 1 or 2, that's it. Bless is just a
We have two songs for you.
ABC pattern is always has three. It goes A, B, C, pattern C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. ABC pattern is always has three. A-A-B pattern, A-A-B pattern, legs, legs, knees, legs, legs, knees, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, chug, chug, caboose, chug, chug, caboose, chug, chug, caboose, chug, chug, caboose, duck, duck, goose, duck, duck, goose, duck, duck, goose, duck, duck, goose.
We have 3 counting songs for you. One more thing. No, we have 2 more things. Huh? Come on. I don't want that. Hurry up. I'll come to the
Mark.